Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to show you different hairstyles that you can create at your own places without visiting any expensive salons. All these hairstyles are very simple, very easy and you will be done in just few seconds. These hairstyles are not that much difficult. We have kept different difficulty levels for each hairstyle. Some might be quite difficult, some might be very easy, some are so small. You can definitely give them a try. So just stay tuned with us. All these hairstyles are best suited for the different length hair. Some are best suitable for the long length hair, some are best suited for the short length hair, some are best suited for the medium length hair. All you just need is a comb, your attention, and some of the hairpins. You can even convert the casual looks into the fancy one and the fancy one into the casual one. The best trick for this one is that you just need some of the hair accessories. If you just want to keep your look minimum and the simple casual look, you just have to take some of the casual hairpins like the bobby pins, tip tap pins, and you're done. But if you want to go to some party and want to have a fancy hairdo, then you just have to insert some of the fancy hairpins over your bun, over your head, so that it will get converted into the fancy hairdo. All these techniques are very simple, very easy. Everyone will be able to perform them at your home. You just have to first try it, second time, thrice, and then you will be able to make it perfectly. All these hairstyles are so good and so easy. If you will get confused, you can just pause the video, then you can watch again. You can just watch it repeatedly so that you don't get confused. We have kept each step in such a manner so that you can follow the each step in a sequential way in order to get the perfect hairdo. So you just have to follow the each step properly. Don't skip any portion. Just watch till end and you will be done. All these hairstyles are inspired from the classical hair braids, some hair buns, twists, turns that are so simple. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end and just suggest how beautiful these hairstyles were. Let's now move further with another hairstyle. For this one, you just have to tie up from both the ends as apparent on your crease using the rubber band. After that, you are going to give it an internal twist. Rest of the hair is combed and you can see I am taking some of the hair from the left portion and using this tool I am inserting it towards the right one. Without this tool, you can even do this work with your hands. If you have this accessory, then you can use it. Otherwise, you don't need it necessarily. After that, I am taking some of the hair from the right side and I am just placing it towards the left one. Now the rest of the hair is open. You just have to take this hair and convert it into the braid as apparent on your screens. You can just pause the video and follow the each step in a sequential manner. Once your braid is ready, it's time to convert it into the bun. So I am rolling it towards the inner direction using another hairpin. This was so simple and so easy. You might find it complex at the beginning, but this was so good. Let's decorate it with some fancy hairpins. Thank you for watching our videos.